Hey guys, I'm just filming, not on my computer like my computer thing, but so if you guys want to see gameplays of this, go to the pro games. I know I haven't been uploading, but go to the pro games and you'll see gameplays. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, I guess. Yeah, of this, okay? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay. I'm putting face cam on so people are gonna see you. Hey guys, I have face cam on. So yeah. Where should I put this? I can make this bigger. Yay! Okay, anyways, let's get into CSGO in Roblox. If you guys want CSGO gameplays, guys, I'll be happy to do those again. I am gonna start them probably, maybe, have no idea. It did it. Counter tears because they're about to wait. No, they didn't win. Counter tears. Come on, man. Hey guys, make sure to go on Roblox and I am actually doing a giveaway. So yeah, if you go to servers and then go to trades, I'll be on there, and yeah, so, and you guys can do stuff like, dude, get out my face. Like, seriously, dude. I'm not your mate. I'm not your bro.
He's not even like, he wasn't even on my team.
He was on my team.
Oh, he was?
I came up here for no reason now. Going back down there.
So, really? Okay, okay. Why'd you just do that?
Did I live stream?
No.
No, bro. Okay.
You can see me.
No.
Dude, hurry up.
Yes, they can see a ponytail.
Oh yeah,
You camping up there. Why you camping up there, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Killed him.
Y'all have pick gun.
Get wrecked.
Okay, I'm about to film a video, so don't get it.
Guys, it's time to open a case. Wait, no. No, we're gonna play this round. We're gonna play this round. Then we're gonna buy a Desert Eagle. All those people that play CSGO, real actual CSGO on the PC. Well, I'm coming to your leagues because I'm getting CSGO. Guys, I'm getting CSGO. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I have CSGO, but not on the computer. So I'm gonna be getting that when I get a new computer, because my computer isn't that tough enough to get PC games. So that's why I don't have one. Well, that's what my dad says. Okay, that worked, I guess. No, I'm just gonna take this one. 5 seconds. Where's the freaking phone? Let's go. What the frick? How did I not kill this guy? Does he freaking have hats on? USB time. Correct. Last guy. No, what? Last guy is not. Come into CBRO and you guys will be able to join my game. Maybe it's a promising. You guys might be able to join it. It depends. If you do, no, guys. I'm recording. Long guy is at freaking. Where's this last guy at? Hey, we're gonna open a case now. I'm gonna open a case. Which case should I open? I'll just open this Karambit one. Doesn't really matter to me. Oh, Siler! Oh, guys! Guys! Holy crap! Holy crap! Guys, we just unboxed a knife! Siler, I just unboxed the knife!
Okay.
Oh, this is... Huh?
You need to stop yelling when you get mad and when you get a knife, because everybody heals you. Even since I was complaining.
Oh, I got a knife!
Oh my gosh! Can you please lie down?
Now my mouse is not working. My mouse wasn't working. Oh, I remember the last time someone got a knife in the game. It was a guy. Ah, guys, I'm so happy. If you guys like want this knife, if I get a new one, make sure to comment down that below. If you guys play Roblox. Oh, guys, this is the best day of my life. No, I never unboxed a Karambit, like those Karambit boxes. I just wanted a knife. Ah. Guys, make sure to go to the Pro Games and subscribe, because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos, like whenever I get the chance to. And I'm going to be accepting trades. Where did my freaking pistol go? Oh, guys, but I want a different knife. I want a different knife. I'm so happy. Oh, guys. Like, we just unboxed that.